Hi everybody, it's Mackenzie at SoundTraxx, and for this week's tech tip, we're going to talk about a section of our website again, the support section and the service request form. And this information is going to be really important, especially if you ever need to send a decoder in for repair. Alright, so first off, go to SoundTraxx.com and then go to our support tab. Now under this tab, you'll find all sorts of information that will be helpful to you. We have several categories here. Troubleshooting to help you figure out what's going on with your decoder on your own if it's something simple that can be fixed easily without having to send it in. Our decoder warranty policy so you can see if your decoder is under warranty and what that covers. Product repair, so that's all the information you're going to need to know if you do need to send your product in for repair. Our license agreement, our service request form. Now this is going to be key to sending your product in for repair. Information on our support staff, and information to contact us. Let's go ahead and click on product repair. Alright, on our product repair page we have a lot of information for you, and we're going to outline the process you need to take to send in your product for repair. So first off, before you send your decoder back, let's make sure that you need to send it in for repair. You can go through the troubleshooting section that I mentioned earlier to see if there's a simple fix to your decoder, or you can go ahead and give our support department a call and make sure that something like a CV reset's not going to solve your problem. Because you don't want to have your decoder sent to us in the mail and for us to simply do a CV reset and then send it back and have it out of your hands for all of that time. But if it is determined that you need to send your product in for repair, you need to go to this page and follow these steps. So first, you're going to want to read and fill out the service request form. You can see we have that linked here again. We've got this form linked all over the place because it's very important that you actually fill out this form. Believe it or not, we get tons of repair packages that have no information with them. They don't tell us what the decoder is, what's wrong with it. Sometimes they don't even tell us their name or their contact information. So it's really important to us that we get this service request form with the decoder so that we can contact you, we know what's going on with the decoder, and we can get your repair taken care of quickly. If you do not send in this service request form with your decoder, it's going to extremely slow down the process of repairing your decoder. You're going to immediately go to the bottom of the pile. Everyone who did send their service request form in and it has all the information that we need sent in with their decoder, they're first in line to get their decoders repaired. So we're going to take care of them first. If we have to chase down your information, you automatically go to the back of that list, and so your repair is going to take longer. So make sure you send this request form in with your decoder to save time and get your decoder back quickly. So this is what our service request form looks like. It talks about in-warranty repairs and out-of-warranty repairs, non-serviceable items. It walks you through all of the fees that are going to be applied if you have an out-of-warranty repair. Tells you how we want the package shipped. And then here's the important part right here. Fill this out with all of your information. Your name, address, phone number, the decoder information, what's going on with the decoder, what you need help with. All of this information helps us get your repair done quickly. Like I said, we have tons of decoders come in for repair without this form, so not only are we missing this important information, but sometimes we're even missing information to get your decoder back to you once it's repaired. People don't always give us a return address, or their only contact information is a return address on the outside of the package they sent us, and that information can be damaged in transit, so we may not be able to read your name, your address, or anything like that. So having the form inside your package also ensures that we can get your decoder back to you once it's repaired. Then you have the payment information section, so you can pay with a check or a credit card. So once you fill out your service request form thoroughly, you can include it and the original receipt in your package with the decoder, and make sure that you package your decoder carefully. If we scroll down a little bit here, you can see an unacceptable package and an acceptable package. You want to send your decoder in a protective box that's insured. You don't want to put it in just a regular envelope. As you can see from this picture, a few things are going to happen. It's going to get damaged even more on the way back to us. With all of its sharp edges and little hard components, it can very easily rip the package and fall out. Any components that are knocked off shipping through this method can also fall off and fall out little rips in the package. And it's for this reason that if you send us a decoder in a plain envelope, we're not going to be able to repair the decoder because it's just going to be too much damage if there's even a decoder left. So make sure that you package your decoder in a box that will protect it and include your service request form in there. So even if the outside of the box gets messed up and we can't read the return address information, we'll still have your contact information and we can get back to you and get your decoder back to you safely. So that's it. These are the simple steps you need to follow to get your decoder repaired by SoundTraxx. Before you send in your decoder, make sure that it needs to be sent in. Contact us or go through our troubleshooting section. If it does need to be sent in, fill out our service request form and include it in your package. Carefully package your decoder so that it will get to us safely and we can get it back to you safely. And you can see our address right there where you ship the package to. Well, that's all, everyone. I hope that you found this video helpful, and hopefully you don't need to send your decoder in for a repair, but if you do, we're here to help, so just give us a call or an email and we can get you taken care of. Thanks!